how to add money to Chime from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Cash App, then click on the profile icon at the top right hand side corner, then scroll down and click on the option of linked banks. Over here, click on the option of link debit card, and now just add your Chime debit card over here and link it. In case if you don't have it and you want to add the Chime bank account details, just simply click on this option of no card. Wait for it to load, then just simply click on the option of continue. After that, just simply select the option of Chime. In case it is not there for you, just simply search for it, and after that just select it. Now it will ask you to log in at Chime. Just use your credentials for Chime in order to log in, and this way you would be able to link your Chime with Cash App. Now when you try to cash out from Cash App, you will be shown the option of Chime. Just simply use that particular option in order to cash out to Chime, and this is how you will be able to add money to Chime from Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.